Okay, Mr. J Flowers, how was your day today? Few words, eh? You're a little bit nervous? Yeah, I can tell. Well, let me just say that this is just a part of life, okay? So this procedure is not going to take long at all, okay? So what we're gonna do today is a scope, okay? Have you heard of a scope before? Well, it's a little procedure where we just make sure everything's copacetic up there in the private regions. So I'm just gonna be safe here and put on some protection. There we go. How was your day? You still don't want to talk, eh? Well, okay, well, let's do this. I'm going to bring over my scope, and just so you know, here it is. Don't be afraid. I'm going to record this. And here we go, Mr. J Flowers. Oh, you're going to have to take your pants off. Allow me. There you go. That wasn't hard now, was it? Okay, I'm gonna take a look at my instrument. Are you ready? Okay. You're gonna feel a little bit of discomfort, but just bear with me, okay? Here we go. Take a deep breath. And there you go. Nice, look at that. Okay. Everything seems to be looking really nice. Congratulations. Everything looks wonderful. I'm gonna go a little bit deeper here. A little bit deeper. Can you take it? I know you can. And we are at the end. Just going to examine. Yeah, everything looks just wonderful in there. You've done very well. Okay, we're going to be coming out now. And a little bit more, and we're at the end, and bloop. Ha! You did great. Hold on, let me just put this back on for you. Ah, there you go. Wonderful. So now you're free to go back to that pool table and execute well, Mr. J Flowers, because everything's looking just wonderful up there. Just wonderful. Congrats.